So this is this year's Christmas train layout, and it's not a lot different from last year, but let's walk through some of the pieces to see what maybe has changed. Well, here we are. We still have the Christmas tree farm, or the Christmas tree selling place. There we have the little reindeers, fountain. Oh, wait. Look, can you see who's sitting on a railing there? It's little Mr. Squirrel. And over here, we've moved the campfire, so we have the critters around the campfire. And I think we've relocated the pond this year, so it's under the bridge, which is a different direction. And Snoopy's made an appearance this year. We brought back photos with Santa and the gingerbread house. Back here we have the sweet little church setting with the big tree. And of course we have our ski lodge over there. Wishing well. Oh, there's the beaver with the dam over by the pond. And we have a little snowman. We have an otter sled riding. You see, Snoopy is here and he's both sled riding, and then over here, he's snowboarding. He is a talented beagle. Have a little spinny thing, which you've seen before. Here's the train station with Santa on top. And we have some dogs, some new additions. There's some little dogs. This one has a star on his head. This one's got a wreath. We're going over to the pub now, and of course it has its own little dog too. So there's a little Dalmatian and the wood pile. Here we have our awesome mountain village. Thanks to Nicole last year and Joey. It's so cute. And on top is the cabin that I wish we actually lived in, complete with a bear. And then last but not least, we do have one big addition this year. What? The Starship Enterprise NCC 1701. Yes, we do. So it and the abominable snowman from Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer are now just in close proximity to each other. Who ever thought that that would happen? Here's the view from the floor.